Child, Offset is done holding back. On his new album, Cardi, he is spilling all the tea on his failed marriage with Cardi B, dragging her for not cooking, saying she only wants to eat at Nobu, and admitting that he cheated on her more than 50 times. You cannot make this up. So let's get into this because Offset is using this album as his therapy session, and baby, the tea is boiling. He straight up says Cardi B don't cook and she want to go out to eat at Nobu. And then he confessed to cheating on her over 50 times throughout their marriage. Now, fans are calling this messy, disrespectful, and some says it's a way of finally closing the chapter on their failed relationship. Either way it goes, Offset is out here airing out their dirty laundry. So in Offset's song Move On, he's basically talking about moving on, and the lyrics go, I take the blame, okay, I take the shame, okay, not playing your game today, you got your get back, so I had to get back. It's 50-2, it's 50-2, basically saying he cheated on her 50 times compared to her 2 times. She did whatever she did, she cheated back. And then it continues, it says, I have to sit back. I can't even believe that you want me to lose. Love turned to hate. When you lie, see the pain in your face. Peace out. I done found me, mate. Outside, get the time and the place. Shorty bad with an itty bitty waist, long hair, and she don't need no lace. And we all know that Cardi B has long hair. He then says, like Tiger, I'm trying to get a taste. Up the time that we had is erased. Walking right past it, I don't know you. You never listen to rules. You never cook ninjas no food. You just want to go out to Nobu. Telling me ish that you don't do. Telling me ish that you won't do. You effed around with the wrong dude. Hope your next ninja be great. I can't believe Offset sat up here and said she don't cook him no food and always want to go to Nobu. I mean, she literally has a song where she said she don't cook and she don't clean and she still got a ring. I mean, what did he expect? But I'm sure being married, of course, you want your significant other to cook for you, but we all know that Cardi B hires a chef to cook for them. And Offset has the nerve to say, yes, she got her lick back twice and I cheated on her over 50 times. I understand that this song and album is supposed to be vulnerable and him opening up, but what's in the what? Like, you cheated on her over 50 times? Like, we knew Offset was out here cheating on Cardi B. Cardi B was just trying to make the marriage work until she finally had enough. She got fed up and she just decided to file for divorce. He also says hope that her next ninja is a great guy. He basically saying he hopes that Stefan Diggs is great to her, and from what Cardi B is saying, it seems like he is great to her. Then Offset has the nerve to say that he cheated on Cardi B over 50 times and he wants her to cook for him. He gotta be out of his rabbit mind, because there's no way you treating her wrong and you still expecting her to cook for you is crazy. Hell, I would want to go to Nobu to feed yourself. Matter of fact, the females you was cheating on me with, go ask them to cook for you. Don't ask me. But anyways, I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. And also, if you guys listen to his album, I would like to know whether you liked it or not down in the comment section. So moving on to the next topic, Jess Hilarious was getting called out for being fat phobic. So the lady was doing this to the new Chris Brown song, and Jess Hilarious commented and said, nah, did the lyrics just say you fat as hell? OMG, no. Now, after this, Jess Hilarious was getting called out and people started calling her fat phobic, and she did apologize. She said she did go to the girl's DM and apologize to her, and she even made a video about it. She said that she thought the girl was joking, so she was just making a joke about it as well.
So I usually don't do this at all, but apparently I'm being accused of fat shaming and shit, right? So the other day, I was on my Explore page and this video of this big girl popped up doing the Chris Brown challenge. You know, yeah, right? So I commented on the video. I know the lyrics didn't say, you fat as hell, I treat you well, come in. Oh no. You know what I mean? I was being funny because I thought she was being funny. You know how many comedians I know, how many content creators I know that they're comfortable in their skin and they make fun of their weight. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it's ugly comedians that make fun of, you know, their ugliness. You know, just because they know that, all right, yeah, like, I'm funny. I got something here. You know what I mean? I literally assumed that she was a content creator who was like being funny. Yo, Kevin Hart just did it when he was funny. Like, I just seen a nigga with no arms doing this shit. I mean, he was, you know, well, you know, yeah, you know, so certain people are making it funny now. Like, they're not even trying to dance. And so I just thought that she was one of them. And definitely should have known better. I should have read the comments and, you know, and seen that whole time she on a weight loss journey. You know what I mean? She had already lost like, you know, hella pounds, and she still is like working to lose, you know, hella more. So I didn't realize that. And I went to apologize to her in her DM, you know what I mean? Just because that's how I do shit. I feel like I hurt you, man. I'm gonna come and apologize to you, but I'm posting this because she took the comment and she put it on a video and reposted a video of her working out. And I'm like, oh shit. Definitely not trying to, fat shame nobody, you know what I'm saying? Should have definitely known better. I apologized to her. And her DM, she wasn't trying to hear that shit. I totally get it. Well, she heard me out, you know what I mean? But she think I'm apologizing because I'm being, canceled or attacked. I'm like, nah, I get canceled every week. That's not, and it's almost never valid for me to be under cancellation scrutiny or whatever. I apologize to you because I hurt you, and I definitely was not just out here like, shorty fat as a bitch or not like you big as shit, you big ass. You know what I mean? I wasn't on that shit. I thought that you were being funny. I thought that she was being funny. And so I just jumped in like a comedian and yeah, that's what. So since the disrespect was public, the apology needs to be public as well. And I know I'm probably making it bigger than what it is, but I do care. You know what I mean? That was not my intention, for real. My bad, baby girl.
So like I said, Jess Hilarious apologized to the girl in her DM. She even made a video about it, saying that she basically thought it was a joke, and when she found out it wasn't a joke, she apologized to her. So I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below.
Don't get mad, because I know how you girls like to tussle. But one thing Cardi Cephas, a.k.a. Offset, a.k.a. 1/3 of the Migos, a.k.a. Little Mr. Pop Locking and Drop It in the back of the Michael Jackson and Whitney Houston videos. One thing that gentleman is going to do is he's going to remind us that he's a horrible person. He on his album talking about the score is 50-2. You're disgusting. That was your wife and your kid's mom. That's embarrassing. Then you on there talking about somebody got a small waist, they don't need no lace. Boy, Belle Khalid's hair is down her back. Belle Khalid's is always somewhere looking like a bag of money. And you always somewhere looking dusty, deranged, and messing around with some scutterbucket ass bitches. It's this audacity that you have, Offset. I hope your mama hug you because you need it, you clown. Thank you.
See? I be trying to tell people, man, stay in your relationships, bro. Stay in your relationships. That way you don't have to come back later on down the line after you've been with multiple men who ain't nothing and multiple females who ain't nothing, and then got to kiss your ex-significant ass to tell them that you sorry. And that's exactly what happened with Offset and Cardi B. Offset has instant regrets now because of the things that he did while he was with Cardi. Hell no, her ass ain't innocent. No, she's not innocent, but she's not a bad woman either. The stuff that he was doing to her, bro, was dirty. And he got kids by this chick, man. If you don't want to be in a marriage, man, then don't get married. Don't get married to someone and think because they married you, they got more money than you, that you got it like that you can do whatever you want. You got to remember, man, y'all took vows under God, bro. Now you all on the internet, man, asking for forgiveness. You having instant regrets. I had the same shit happen to me years ago, bro. Motherfuckers did me so dirty, and I begged. Yes, my grown ass begged. And they just didn't believe in me, bro. They cut me off for somebody else. And it didn't happen to me just once, not twice. It happened 3 times, bro, to me, where I was left by somebody I was with because they thought the grass was greener on the other side, only to see me bounce back, come up, and all of a sudden, they was interested in me. Why is it that people want what they can't have? Because when they couldn't have me back then, they treated me like crap. They dogged me. Your boy was in tears and stuff. But when I blew up on social media, you know what happened? Everybody tried to come back. But you know what I had to show them? I moved on with my life. So I'm going to say this to Cardi B. Forgive your husband for what he did, because y'all obviously still married. Y'all ain't filed no damn divorce yet. Forgive your husband for what he did, but don't take him back, because I'm going to tell you right now, He's only sorry because you're doing better without him. That's it. What other reason would he want you back? That's why people want their significant others back, because they realize the grass is not green on the other side. And when you can show people that you can do better without they ass, they come back crying, regretting what they did, regretting the decisions that they made. Nah, bro, fuck them. Forgive them and let them go about their business. Y'all don't have to be together to support your kids, bro. Trust me, I'm living proof. You don't have to be with nobody just to support your kids, man. To be a mom or a dad. You can still be a mom or dad separated from each other. Cardi, accept the apology. Don't you take that dude back, man. Don't do it.